So 11th class, today we are going to study the topic types of strings. Types of strings, okay? This is the topic for today, right? Types of string. There are basically two types of string in Python. One is single line string. One is multiple line strings. Basically, there are two types of strings. One is single line string. Second is multiple line strings. What about the single line string? Single line strings are those strings which are enclosed in single or double quotes. Like I have taken a variable s and I have given the value aeroplane. The string aeroplane starts with double quotes, ends with double quotes. The single line string aeroplane starts with double quotes, end with double quotes, and it is contained in one line only. It is not spanning across multiple lines. So this is the example of single line string. When I print S over here, the value prints aeroplane. The value gets printed is the string itself. Okay. You can enclose the single line string in single quotes also. Like I have given S1 equal to aeroplane. Now here see carefully. I have enclosed the string in single quotes. I have enclosed the string in single quotes. Am I clear up till here? 11th. Arshdeep, Diya, Himanshu, Gursirat, am I clear up till here? This is the first type of string, single line string. Now see what I'm going to do. I am typing a single line string. ओके जैसे मैं ये सिंगल लाइन स्ट्रिंग टाइप कर रहा था मैंने क्या किया जब मैं स्ट्रिंग के एंड पर पहुंचा आई प्रेस द एंटर की द मोमेंट आई प्रेस द एंटर की पाइथन रेजेस एन एरर द सिंगल लाइन स्ट्रिंग हैज टू बी क्लोज्ड there and there. If you have started the string with single quote, close it with single quote. If double quotes, close it with double quotes. Directly pressing the enter key after the single line string, the Python will indicate an error over here. Okay. Now, I have a question from you all. Whosoever knows, just raise your hand. Okay. My S1 is a variable whose value is Kolkata. Right? The first value which I gave to S1 is Kolkata. Now I give the value Mumbai. What will be the value of S1 when I will print it? Kolkata or Mumbai? Yes, Kavya. Unmute yourself.
Sir, Mumbai.
Mumbai. This happens in Python programming. You initialize the variable with one value. Later on, you update the value. The Python will work with the updated value. आपने वेरिएबल को एक वैल्यू दी उसके बाद आपने उसकी वैल्यू अपडेट कर दी चेंज कर दी Python will work with the updated value. Okay, see another concept here. S2 is 20. I am assigning integer value to variable S2. what is integer value? What I mean by integer value? Since so many days we are doing this concept, integer data type. What I mean by integer data type? Non-decimal values, non-fractional values. Okay. So if I print S2 over here, what will be the value of S2? 20. But later on, I give the value 45.6. What will be the answer of S2? 20 or 45.6? Yes, Devanshi, unmute yourself.
Sir, 45.6.
45.6. My first value was of type integer. Then I changed the data type and I assigned a new value to the same variable with the new data type. So Python will print the new value 45.6. Keep this concept clear when you are doing the Python programming. Okay. Now, see here. Now we move on to the concept of multiple line string. How to create multiple line string? In order to create the multiple line string, I am taking one variable S3 equal to double quotes. Hello. If you want to type the data in the next line, you don't want to type in one line, you want to type the string in the next line, in multiple lines. Put backslash at the end. Put backslash at the end. Come to the next line. See, Python doesn't indicate any error. Python has not indicated any error. Okay. Now I am typing here, welcome. Okay. Again, I put the backslash. Again, I come down to Python. Here you close the double quotes. Where you want to terminate the string, don't put the backslash. Close the string with double quotes or single quotes, with whichever quotes you have started the string. The number of times you want to type in multiple lines, keep adding backslash symbol at the end of the string, but at the last, do not put the backslash symbol, just close the quotes, single or double. But when it will get print, it will be printed in one line only. It will not be printed in separate lines. See here. When you will print it, the data will still appear in single line. The data will not be displayed in multiple lines. Irrespective, when you were typing in multiple lines by adding the backslash symbol. Okay? Am I clear? All right. Now I want to calculate the size of the string, that how many characters it contains. In Python programming, if you want to calculate the size of your object, here my object is string. This is my object S having value string. This is my object S1 having value of string type. This is my object. This is my object. This S3 is my object. Now, in order to find the size of your object, Python provides an inbuilt function which is known as len. Length function, len. In the bracket of len function, you write the object whose size you want to calculate. Suppose I want to calculate size of S1. 6. S1 is 6. Why S1 is 6? Aeroplane teacher is not 6-character word. Kolkata is not a 6-character word. Why the answer is 6? Yes. Use your brain and tell me why the answer is 6. Yes, Jatin, 23 roll number. Unmute yourself.
सर बिकॉज उसने मुंबई को देखा है, मुंबई में 6
Yeah.
लेटर्स हैं.
Very good. The final value which was assigned to S1 was Mumbai, and Mumbai contains 6 characters. So answer is 6. Okay, let us find the length of S3. 21. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Space is 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Backslash is not counted. Backslash is not counted while counting the length of the string. Okay? So length is 21. Am I clear? Am I clear, students, with this concept? All right. Now for the another concept, this was the one method to create multiple line strings. This was the first method to create the multiple line strings. For the second method, I am creating one small program to create multiple line string using triple quotes. Yes, Mannat, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself, Mannat.
सर इसमें स्पेस भी काउंट होगी?
Space is 1 character, Mannat.
ओके सर.
1 space is equal to 1 character. Okay. I have taken S2 variable and I am giving the value in triple quotes. 1, 2, 3. Either double triple quotes, either single triple quotes. Welcome. Enter. See, in the case of triple quotes, I have not inserted backslash. I have just pressed the enter key. The enter key is called EOL, end of line. End of line. Whenever you press the enter key, it is considered as one EOL. And EOL is also counted while calculating the length of the string. Okay? Press the enter key, type the next data here. 2, again EOL, Python, programming. Close the triple quotes. Okay? Print S2. Okay. What this empty print function will do? I have given one print function, but inside the print function, I have not passed any parameter. Print function के bracket खाली हैं. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? How many of you have done HTML in 10th? If you remember HTML of 10th class, you might be knowing the use of BR tag. BR tag used to insert a blank line. When you give print function with empty brackets, it will always insert one blank line in Python. Okay? So here I am taking x variable where I am putting the length of s2. मेरा लेंथ फंक्शन जो भी है, my length function will calculate the length of string s2. जो भी न्यूमेरिक फिगर आएगी वो x के अंदर स्टोर हो जाएगी. ओके, पता लग गया मैंने क्या किया? Using the length function, I try to calculate the length of string s2. The length will be in numeric form and the result is stored in variable x and I print the variable x. Let us run this program. So we have to save it first. So I am saving the program in your own folder only. P6 string type triple. See, the data get print in multiple lines. The data get print in multiple lines. I hope the concept is very clear to everyone. When we were using double quotes, in this case, bete, I have shaded the portion. There are two ways to create multi-line string. First, when you enclose the string with double quotes, put backslash at the end in order to continue typing in the next line. Okay, but when you will print, the data will be printed in one line only. If you want the data to get print in multiple lines, you have to enclose your string in triple quotes without including the backslash. But the number of times you will press the enter key, Python will treat it as EOL. EOL means end of line. While calculating the length of the string using triple quotes, the EOL will be counted. But if you have put backslash, the backslash will not be counted. Now, calculate and tell me the length of string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Welcome is 7. 8 EOL. पहला एंटर की प्रेस हुआ 8. 9, 10, 11. एक और एंटर की प्रेस हुआ 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Space is 18. 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29 is the output. See here. Am I clear with the entire concept to everyone? The concept of single line string and multi-line string? Yes, Riddhi, Samriddhi, any doubt, any queries you have?
सर जो EOL है वो सिर्फ ट्रिपल कोट्स के केस में होता है कि डबल कोट्स के केस में भी होता है?
See here. S4 equal to welcome, enter. Error only in the case of triple quotes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear to all? All right. I'm going to make one short question. I just make it over here. S4 equal to triple quotes A, enter, B, enter, C, D, enter, E, F, G, enter, H, I, J, triple quotes closed. Print S4, print length of S4. Who will tell what is the length of S4? कौन मुझे S4 की लेंथ बताएगा? Open your notebooks and try to solve it. Only one hand is raised. It's very easy concept. Why only one hand is being raised? Yes, Gurjot Singh, unmute yourself.
सर मेरे हिसाब से 14
मेरे हिसाब से वाली बात नहीं करनी, बी कॉन्फिडेंट.
14
14. Okay. Riddhi Samriddhi, what is your opinion?
14.
14. Okay. Japan Jot, what is your opinion?
14.
14. Okay, who will explain why 14? Yes, Yashika, you explain. Yashika, better explain it. One step by step explain.
Sir, 15.
15. How? Yashika, remain unmuted, beta. How? Are you solving it, Yashika? Yes, Kavya. Step by step, tell me.
सर 14 ही होगा, जैसे ए के बाद
A-
एंटर है तो वो 2
पहले A,
काउंट होंगे.
पहले कैरेक्टर ए,
A,
एंटर, एंड ऑफ
हाँ जी.
लाइन, तो 2 हो गया.
यस
3,
उसके बाद B.
4, end
हाँ.
of line. 5, 6, 7, end of line. 8, 9, 10, end of line. 1, 2,
11 12.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay.
Yes.
14. This is the output and this is the length. Am I clear to all now? Any doubt to any child in today's lecture? Any doubt to any child in today's lecture? Okay, what if I type here backslash AB backslash CD backslash EF triple quotes closed. Print S5, print length of S5. Let us see the case of backslash. See here. When you terminate the triple quoted string with backslash, the output doesn't scatter in multiple lines. It remains in one line. And backslash is never counted. End of line is counted. But while calculating the length of string, backslash is never counted. And whenever you will put backslash at the end of the string, it will display the content in one line. Okay? Is the concept clear? Yes, class. 11th class, is the concept totally clear? So see here, the length is 6. Why 6? Because backslash is not counted. Backslash is not counted. Am I clear to all? Okay, one last point. I remove backslash from here. I put enter key, EF, enter, GH backslash IJ. Okay. Now tell. what will happen? This is our output here. Where you put backslash, it will print next line in the same line. Where you put the enter key, it will transfer to the next line. See here, AB backslash, तो CD उसके साथ ही आ गया. आउटपुट चेक करो ना, CD उसके साथ ही आ गया, क्योंकि AB के बाद बैकस्लैश लगा था, तो नेक्स्ट कंटेंट उसके साथ ज्वाइन हो गया. CD के बाद एंडल था, एंड ऑफ लाइन, तो EF नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ गया. EF comes in the next line. EF के बाद फिर से एंड ऑफ लाइन था, तो GH नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ गया. ओके, देन GH के बाद बैकस्लैश लगा हुआ था, तो I और J उसके साथ ही आ गए. अब इसकी लेंथ निकालो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 और 2 एंडल 11 और 12. यहां पर एंड ऑफ लाइन है 11, यहां पर एंड ऑफ लाइन है 12. बैकस्लैश काउंट नहीं हुआ, बैकस्लैश को काउंट नहीं किया. ओनली एंड ऑफ लाइन इज काउंटेड, नॉट द बैकस्लैश एन. ओके, concept is clear to entire 11th.